Hello and welcome to number 36. Today we're going to be talking about my suspension system. I kind of came up with a cheap and easy way to corner balance the car without using coilovers. We're just going to get right into this one because What? I can't reach the latch. Jeez, what in the world? Oh, Whoa! Jeez, every time I come into the shop, it's a ladder, a grinder, or a fucking hood trying to kill me. It's getting crazy. Okay, let's keep going. You know what? We don't need to have this conversation inside this human-sized mousetrap. They say the best movies show you the story. They don't tell you the story. Wait, should I be telling you this now? Well, anyways, I came up with this long explanation on exactly what we're doing here today, but I hate hearing myself talk. I feel I can show you this story well enough and I could just be quiet. So just listen to the music, relax, and this will be a beautiful sequence of nonsense. Oh, okay, stop the music, stop the music. I'm sorry, I could not figure out a way to show you what I thought about these numbers, because doing this really does not make it clear. Check out how these two corners of the car are within a few pounds of each other. See how this corner over here is like 30 pounds lighter? Well, think about what it would be like to sit in a chair with two legs that are longer than the others. That is how my car handles on the track. I want to see how large of a spacer placed between the top hat and the shock tower it would take to bring that light corner closer to the others. I read a forum post the other day and this poor guy asked this question. Everyone berated him with the same response over and over again. It would never work. Stock spring rates are too low to change the corner balance of a car with spacers. Small adjustments with coilovers work because they have like 800-pound spring rates. I felt bad for the dude, and I dedicate this episode to you. Let's see if the internet is correct. I'm going to use only tools a normal weekend warrior might have on hand, so no CNC mill. Just hand tools. Let's get started. Okay, back to silence. Today is March 13th. It's Friday, and there's a mild change of plans. Daycare is closed down. And it's a manly day out here at the shop. So instead of me trying to build this part and having my young child standing over my shoulder getting shreds of aluminum in his eyes, we're gonna 3D print this part instead. Do you think this, what 3D filament are we gonna use?
It's going to be a carbon fiber ABS.
Why did you take his tape measure away? Okay, give him the tape measure, all of it. Okay. What were you saying? Oh, what 3D filament are we going to use?
It's going to be a ABS carbon fiber. It's going to have little strands of carbon fiber running through it, so we'll see.
Well, do you think that'll stand up to my suspension system?
I guess we'll find out.
All right, well, let's get this thing modeled and printed.
Let's do it.
Rock and roll. We have a baby in the shop, a baby in the shop, a baby in the shop. Okay, go run around, stay out of the nails, don't touch anything that looks liquid. Good boy. Now, you are probably looking at my face trying to figure out what it means this time. It means I f***ed up. Something has had me a little distracted, probably because there's a little terrorist in the shop. Apparently, I can't read clearly marked cables. But it's not a huge deal. The cables aren't completely scrambled, just left to right, not front to back. I could just swap these numbers for you. Ugh. See, it's so simple. But while you weren't looking, I removed the spacers from the left rear and installed them on the right side and weighed the car again. And to my surprise, the corner weights are looking a lot better. I may have proved the internet people wrong. I swear, people on forums. And I have plenty of thread left on the top hat for more spacers if I want to continue. So how much did a 1/4 inch spacer transfer the weight? So here is the corner we added the spacers to. It went from 564 to 574. A gain of 10 pounds. That doesn't sound like much, but check out where else the weight changed. The right front went down 8 pounds, the left front went up 8 pounds, and the left rear went down 13 pounds. I really wasn't expecting much of a change, but holy cow, I'll take it. Some of you math wizards might have noticed a 3-pound discrepancy between the two sets of numbers. I didn't change anything in the setup, so it's probably just me. My weight fluctuates and I didn't get to do all the weighing in one day, but that represents a 0.13% difference between the two weights. I can live with that. Well, that's about all there is to this story. I appreciate you watching my video. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the subscribe button and maybe share this video to a friend. I'm working hard to keep them coming. If you have an idea for a future episode you would like to see, please leave a comment down below. And be safe out there. You never know what's coming around the bend. Take me, for example. My motor wouldn't start again, and I thought it would be a good idea to give it a little kick. You know, maybe that would unjam something, but now I'm properly stuck here. Oh well. Have a good one, and thanks for watching. Now, where's my kid? Hank! Buddy, do you think you could come get the hood latch for me? Hank? Oh, that's right, we got a babysitter today. That was fun, y'all.
Yeah.